Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here. Let's talk about how China's yuan push affects you and the US dollar. China is making strong push to use its currency in international trade instead of the US dollar. Now you might be saying, so what? Well, here's how that affects you. Right now, the US dollar is the world's dominant reserve currency. Most global trade, especially oil, is priced and settled in dollars. That gives the United States enormous economic power. But China is trying to slowly change that. So you may ask yourself, well, okay, so what can I do about it? What you can do to protect yourself is to increase your basket of currencies. Example, many of you already hold 1 million Iraqi dinars. And this is if Iraq were safe for Americans, you could move to Iraq and live for 6 months or longer without taking money out of your own pocket. You could find a 1-bedroom apartment outside of Baghdad for 1,000 to 5,000 IQD a month. For safety, you might need around 200,000 IQD a month. Rent in Iraq is on average 78.9% higher than in Egypt. Now, you will need to take your own portable generator, but after you get there, you could do a side hustle with an Iraqi citizen and sell portable generators. This is only a scenario, but it shows you that your 1 million IQD is worth a lot more than you think. It depends on how you look at it. Now, don't just view your currencies as an investment against the dollar. Look at your currencies as a way to build your assets. But first, you would need to become location independent to join the millions of Americans who are living the day trading lifestyle. This message is for viewers who are open to change in order to build assets. Just know that Iraq is not safe right now for Americans. But let's look at another or a different example or scenario. The president said Venezuela will soon be safe for Americans to visit. The U.S. State Department has not yet changed the level 4 travel alert, which says basically do not travel. However, those of us who are planning to visit Venezuela as soon as it is deemed safe are looking forward to a $950 to $1,500 a month total cost of living for one person, Atlantic Ocean views included. So you see, it's all about how you look at your currency investment. If we are always waiting for the currency to increase against the value of the US dollar, that's one way to look at your investment. But there are other ways to look at or to experience an ROI on your currency investments.